Into Your Money this week, which is sponsored by the Stamm Lawfirm, the attorneys are talking about why they encourage their clients to avoid probate. Doing Your Side's Kelly Dudzik asking them about that process and how they explain it to people.
The time, the energy, the paperwork, the expense, and the frustration.
Those are just some of the reasons attorney Brian Stamm says people should avoid probate or surrogate's court. He says that move would also save your family money after you die.
People come into us and say, hey, I heard we should avoid probate. I want to avoid probate. I agree with you, and let us show you how to do that. Because probate can cost up to 6 to 7% of your assets. That's a lot of money.
Attorney Bradley Stamm says a way to avoid probate is to make sure you set up a smooth transition on death for yourself.
Bank accounts, your IRA, your 401k, your 403b, your investment accounts, where they allow you to choose a beneficiary, choose one. And let me also say it's super important, spouses will choose each other 99.9% of the time.
But what
right?
if something horrible happens and you both die at the same time?
A lot of people travel together, right? How often do spouses not travel together when they're going somewhere, right? So you have to make sure your children or grandchildren or whomever are backup beneficiaries.
There's a second person,
Because here's the rule. Brian and I have dealt with this so many times. If spouses just name each other and there's that common horrific tragic accident, their stuff has to go through probate.
They added that you can fill out a transfer on death or pay on death form for your bank accounts so your loved ones can get money without having to go to court. And they encourage people to set up trusts. They also said sometimes people discover paperwork for accounts they forgot about.
9 out of 10 times someone's come back and says, I am so glad you told me. I found out I did not have a beneficiary on this one account.
Right.
And it could be a large account.
The attorneys want people to put in the work so their loved ones aren't burdened with it later on.
It's not like we can call somebody's IRA company and say, hey, what are their beneficiaries? They'll be like, who are you? Click. Right? So that's why you have to do it.
On Your Side, Kelly Dudzik, Channel 2 News.